Our 2013 CES coverage is powered by Ford. Go further.
What's up, everyone? John Renter from Techno Buffalo here live from CES 2013. What you got behind me looks like any other TV, but this TV's got a secret up its sleeve. Let's go ahead and take a first look at this glasses-free 3D television. So for the past several years at CES, 3D technology's been all the rage. Primarily it's been active 3D, meaning you gotta wear special glasses that are powered, essentially take each frame in the eye and go back and forth to simulate a 3D effect. I've got a Samsung television at home personally. It's got active 3D glasses. It's fun to watch a movie every now and then, but honestly over a couple hours it gives me a headache. The other option for 3D is passive 3D, which you gotta wear essentially polarized glasses, similar to what you get when you go to a regular 3D movie theater. LG, for example, uses passive 3D. What Dolby's got behind us is completely glasses-free 3D. Now, it's just a prototype. It's a dual venture between Dolby and Philips. So it uses something called stereoscopic technology. If you guys remember the old baseball cards, or as you moved them, you saw the batter swing, it's kind of the same idea here. We've seen stereoscopic 3D in the past on televisions, but you've always had to sit in a sweet spot. You had to sit in just the right spot to make sure you could see the 3D. Right here, though, you can actually stand anywhere and completely see the 3D effect. Now, it's not as impressive a 3D as you do get with those active glasses or even those passive glasses, but you do see a 3D effect, and you don't have any of the potential side effects you could have with those other two options. No headaches, no silly glasses, and you can sit absolutely anywhere you want to see it. So this is a complete end-to-end solution, and Dolby was telling us that they're trying to get this out for multiple screen sizes, so not just television. It can work on tablets, it can work on phones. And the technology is not just in the screen. The content providers have to be on board with this. And it's got to be sort of from end to end, completely vertically integrated to get this technology to come to the mainstream. For now, though, it's a proof of concept, and it's one that works and is very cool. Took a look at it on some tablets, which we've seen a little bit before, and it worked very well. You know, we see, looks like these dancers are coming right at us. So glasses-free 3D. This is the kind of 3D I love to have in my home. I don't have to look silly, I have to give myself a headache, and I can have friends sitting anywhere and still get the same 3D effect. I'm John Renter from Techno Buffalo. I'll see you next video.
Thanks again to Ford.